Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix upload blocked in OneDrive app at 2025. So the upload blocked error usually occurs due to network restrictions and sufficient storage, file type and size issues or account problems. So at first you will need to check the internet connection. So make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Even you can try opening a web page or another app like YouTube, Facebook, sending a message on WhatsApp, and that's only to confirm the connectivity. The second step is to check the OneDrive storage. So to do that, you will need just to tap on the profile icon that's located on the top left of the screen, and then just go with settings right here. After that, tap on personal option, and there you go. Right here, you can see your storage. So if it's full, the uploads will be blocked and you will need to free up space by deleting unnecessary files or emptying the recycle bin. Also, you will need to check the file type and size. So the OneDrive may block certain files types like .tmp, .db, or very large files. The maximum file size at 2026 is 250 gigabytes per file on OneDrive personal account. Split large files or rename unsupported file types. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.